What's up, gang? Back with another banger. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your key fob from this to this. Stay tuned, gang. Alright, so you can see this key is the original and this key is hollow. It has nothing in it. It's not ready, so I'm going to be opening it up and showing you guys how to switch the two keys. Give you a little sneak peek of the car. I really don't drive it, but let's see if this matches the seats. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. Looking good, looking good. I like it, I like it, I love it. All right, so let's go switch the two. Okay, gang, first thing you want to do is open this. So just click this little thing, take the key out. Okay, how I open mine, I just pop it open like this. I stick this in here, give it a little twist, and it opens it up just like that. So once you got it open, you just want to pry it open a little bit more. So now I got both pieces. Bam, bam. Okay, do the same thing with this one. Take the key out. This is a uncut key. This is the original key. Okay, you do the same thing. You take it, and what you want to do is you put the slot in this one. Once you do it, you just give it a little turn like this, and it should open right up. Should open right up. There you go. It's opening up. There you go. So once you got it like that, you just go ahead and pry it open. There you go. So these are the two pieces on the inside of this one. So now what we want to do is take the motherboard from this one, put it in here, take the battery from here, and put it in. So let's go. All right, so with this one, you are gonna have a little notch right there, okay? That holds the motherboard in, so you just wanna pry off some, I think it's like, not glue, but it's some kind of like sealer, you feel me, to hold that down. So let me go do this real quick. I gotta run and get this tool. So I gotta run upstairs, get this tool real quick. I'll be right back. So I'm back, gang. I had to go upstairs and grab this tool right here. This right here, you can use a pick or anything. This right here came from one of my tools upstairs. So what you want to do is pick that stuff around from that area right there so you can pull it out. Once you get that all taken off, you want to slightly pull up on the motherboard. You don't want to break anything. This is very fragile and important. So after you get it up like this, take your time too. There's no rush. No rush, no rush, no rush. There you go. Okay, just be real gentle with it. Okay, it will come out. So this is what it looked like out. Okay. If this spring isn't attached, all you do is, because sometimes it will come like this, you just put it in place. Just like that. Simple, okay? Now, once you got the motherboard out, you got the battery out, you just want to repeat those steps in reverse. So you want to put that battery back in, like such. Then you want to put the motherboard just exactly how you had it. So it went in that way. You put it in exactly that way. So put it back in. Perfect fit. Okay, and you see that notch right there? Fits right back in place. So it's not coming out. Everything's good. Give it one little push. Okay, put this back together. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Okay, I am going to be putting the original key back in here. Not the original to the old one. The original, which is the new one. I am going to get it cut to fit the same. It's just the silver is different. I noticed that. It's a little different, so I'm gonna use the original one that goes with it. And let's give it a try. So this is the key, guys. This is the key. Let's see if it's gonna work. You see this? You see my key? You see my key? I'm so happy now. That's all you have to do to change your key fob, guys. Super simple. It's an upgrade for me. I wasn't really feeling this dull, ugly. You know what I mean? This old black. So, yeah. Goodbye. Hello. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Must do it again.